In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets to identifying and fending off 3 types of toxic people who can sabotage your path, undermine your trust, and harm your relationships. Stay tuned, because we will bring valuable information to strengthen your emotional well-being. If you haven't signed up yet, now is the perfect time to make sure you don't miss any transformative content. And let's get to the video. Have you ever experienced someone coming into your life and suddenly you find yourself engulfed in negativity and trouble, as if it were an endless drama? It's no coincidence. Certain people have the power to act like a hurricane, destroying everything in their path. We are all in search of a full and fulfilling life, but unfortunately there are people determined to drag us down, acting as anchors that prevent us from navigating in calm waters towards our goals. The journey of life is challenging enough, and the last thing we need are people sucking our energy away from our dreams. If you are committed to achieving your goals and realizing your true potential, you must be ruthless in choosing who you surround yourself with. As the old saying goes, tell me who you're with, and I'll tell you who you are. This is truer than ever, as the people we allow into our lives have a direct impact on our mindset, choices, and achievements. Stay alert, because today we're going to show you 3 types of people you should avoid. Have you ever wondered why sometimes it seems like things never work out? Maybe you're being influenced by one of these toxic types of people, and their negative impact may be deeper than you think. We are talking about more than just hurt feelings. We are talking about postponed dreams, missed opportunities, and a constant feeling of being trapped in a downward spiral. We're here to help you identify these people and provide the tools to deal with them. In the world we live in, unfortunately, not everyone has the best intentions. Some people are true masters at hiding their true colors, creating chaos in their life. They can be friends who show up only when they need something, smile in front of you and speak ill of you behind your back, or someone trying to undermine your success out of jealousy. The good news is that we will show you how to identify these people and protect yourself from their traps. Remember that you deserve a social circle that inspires, supports, and motivates you. We will now reveal the secrets to create a positive and prosperous environment around you. The first type of person to avoid is the constant critic. Imagine being excited about an idea, project, or personal fulfillment, only to be met with criticism and negativity. These people are like a special radar to detect any opportunity to criticize and belittle. Not only do they look at your confidence, but they can also make you start doubting your own abilities. It may seem that constructive criticism is good, but the difference is that the constant critic is not interested in helping you grow or improve. They are more concerned with pointing out failures and discouraging your efforts. The negative energy they bring into your life can seriously affect your self-esteem and even lead you to paralysis by analysis. The second type of person to avoid is the energy vampire. These are the individuals who seem to drain their energy whenever they are around. They constantly complain, focus on problems and feed on their positivity. Spending time with an energy vampire can leave you emotionally exhausted, and you may realize that after interacting with them, your own perspective of the world becomes darker. They have the ability to absorb his motivation and optimism, leaving him discouraged. It is crucial to identify these energy vampires and limit the time you spend with them. The third type of person to stay away is the manipulator. They are those who have a hidden agenda and use subtle tactics to get what they want. They can compliment you to gain your trust and then ask for an impossible favor. Or they might try to make you feel guilty so you can do what they want. Manipulators are masters at playing with the emotions of others to achieve their own goals. Unfortunately, we often realize that we are being manipulated when we are already too involved to leave. These people can undermine your autonomy, damage your relationships, and lead you to make decisions that are not in your best interest. Therefore, it is crucial to be aware of the signs of manipulation and learn to protect yourself from these types of people. At the end of the day, the quality of the people around you has a direct impact on the quality of your life. The constant critic, energy vampire, and manipulator can sabotage your efforts, undermine your confidence, and harm your relationships. Identifying these toxic profiles is the first step to protecting your energy, confidence, and emotional well-being. Remember that you have the power to choose who you allow in your life. If you aspire to a more positive and productive life, it is essential to move away from those types of people who can undermine your efforts. Set healthy boundaries and prioritize relationships that inspire and help you grow. Remember that by removing toxic people, you are making room for positive, healthy, empowering relationships. Now, an important invitation: if you like this content and want to continue deepening your self-knowledge and relationship skills, click the sign up button right now, share with your friends, comment, and even the next video.